There's a day you stop explaining yourself, and nothing explodes, nothing collapses. But everything changes, not because you became cold, not because you gave up, but because you finally understood something. Explaining feels polite. It feels reasonable. It feels like clarity. But most of the time, it isn't communication. It's negotiation. It's asking for permission to be who you already are. You explain when you're afraid of being misunderstood. You over-explain when you're afraid of being rejected. And you keep explaining because part of you hopes someone will finally approve your truth. But here's what nobody tells you. People who are committed to misunderstanding you will never run out of reasons. No amount of clarity can fix a closed intention. No explanation can override a decision someone has already made about you. Some people don't want understanding. They want leverage. They ask questions not to learn, but to poke holes. Not to connect, but to delay your certainty. And the moment you see that, something inside you goes quiet. Not defensive, not angry, clear. You realize your life was never a courtroom. You were never on trial. The strongest people don't explain themselves repeatedly. They state, they act, they move. They let consistency speak instead of convincing. The day you stop explaining yourself is the day your energy comes back. Your words become fewer, but heavier. Your boundaries become visible without being announced. Because the right people don't need explanations. And the wrong people were never listening anyway. You don't owe everyone a story. You don't owe everyone access. You don't owe everyone your reasoning. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can say is nothing, and simply walk in the direction of your life. See clearly. Think clearly. Act confidently. This is AlphaClarity.rising.